How to make and edit images with ChatGPT for beginners. Let's dive into how ChatGPT can help you create stunning images with just your words. In this guide, we will cover both image generation and basic editing. To generate image effectively, you must provide clear and detailed description in your prompts. Instead of saying a cat, try a fluffy Persian cat sleeping on a windowsill bathed in warm sunlight. This is the art style. Notice how adding those details really changes the output. Simply type your prompt into the ChatGPT interface and use the user interface controls. Remember that image generation is often iterative, so refine your prompts as needed. When editing, upload your image into ChatGPT. Select the area you want to modify and use conversational language to describe the changes. For example, change the flower to a vibrant blue or remove this object from the image. You can also ask to edit the entire image. To get the best results, prioritize clarity and specificity in your prompts. Experiment with different techniques and remember that AI image generation has limitations. Just try out different prompts and see what works best for you. If you're not happy with the result, rephrase your prompt or add more details. At last, practice and explore the capabilities of ChatGPT and remember to check out the OpenAI Help Center for more information. So, that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.